Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how I use the white magic eraser to knock off all the dirt on a decent bright or a white bar tape over here. So in this video, I'm using white magic eraser, and I'm using a little bit of toilet paper right here, which I'm gonna dispose as soon as I'm done. So if you look over here, what I have done already, I started working on this side, and I'll let you see the results. It came out pretty amazing if you ask me. Now, you see here, this side here looks pretty nasty over here. So the process is still straightforward. I'm using damp white magic sponge, and what you're gonna do, you see, I started working here a little bit, and what you're gonna do, you see it's wet, so I'm basically pulling off all this dirt. But just to prove my point on camera, this is the side that I wanna just attack a little bit. You see how much stuff is coming off? Now if you compare this part and this part here, there is a pretty big difference if you ask me. Now, just for the sake of it, I'm gonna knock off this one here, you see? Okay, you see how it's coming off? So this is definitely effective over here. So what I will do when it's all done, I'm gonna just wipe it off with this towel with this disposable toilet paper, because I don't want to use any of my nice microfibers. But I'm gonna link this magic sponge eraser at the description, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna finish all this, and everybody can do this in a matter of 5, 10, 15 minutes. Hopefully you found this interesting. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.